Hey friends, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout that I'm super excited about. It is for Erica Rose Creates Close to My Heart shop, and I have this really cute, bright Tutti Frutti collection to play with. And actually, I should grab the photos I have at first. So this is my daughter Shay and the Nick, and he was kind enough to be wearing this shirt, which matches this like kind of plummy tone beautifully. So I don't have my design kind of plan going yet. I want to get familiar with this collection, but I am really vibing these cutouts. I have this workshop kit and it came with punch outs. I've got these strips. I've got the cutest confetti goodies. They're all citrusy and cute. So I know I want to do some kind of shaker pocket. It's just wanting it so badly. So I thought I would start by popping these out, and I have to figure out my background and all of that kind of thing. And also, I love this Life is Sweet. So I think that's a way I'm going to go with my title. Now, do you see how there's like some shiny bits on there? I like it because it's giving us some extra texture, and it's not like it's a ton of dimension, but it looks like or feels like it's dimension. Although I will be popping things up because that's what I do, you know? So I thought I'd pop all of these goodies out because I'm doing something. I don't know. Oh, and then of course this plummy shade that I like so much. So we know that. I've got 1 or 2 photos to use. We're gonna see how that goes. I don't think I'm using these this time because I'm so smitten with them, but we'll see. Let me move that aside. I have another sheet that has all kinds of circles to pop out, which are super interesting. We pop, oh, there's that missing one. Now, let's see, where do these photos want to go? He's wearing sunglasses, which is pretty awesome. They were in New Jersey at a country concert, so I think it's super fun. Now, do I want to play up the sunglasses, which would be, you know, not the worst idea. I also have a bunch of cardstock in here, which I like. Oh, I wonder if I should I use this or the sunglasses because this was called Tidal Wave. It was on the Jersey Shore. I know I definitely have to bring some of that in. Give me a moment. So I kind of am vibing on this because, like I said, I like all these little bits. So I'm using a white background because I want the patterns to show. But I think I want to get a little bit of torn stuff, maybe top and bottom. I think top and bottom would be fun. So let's see. If we're dealing with the bottom, I should tear from the bottom, correct? I have 3 pieces of paper that are all stacked up. I have this pretty yellow with pink. I have a pink cardstock and those sunglasses that we talked about. So I'm going to do kind of a, yeah, probably don't use hand lotion right before you try to do the tearing technique. Let me get this out of the way a tiny bit. There we go. Not that it's a huge technique, but it's something. Now, why am I tearing all 3 of them together? And I have to fix that little tear part. I don't like it. Because when I want to layer them, it can be really nice that they all line up like so. So if I want to use the blue or the pink or the whatever first, I think I'll do it this way now. Then all of the little hills and valleys line up perfectly, and it's impossible for me to do it otherwise. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. I'm going to pop it down, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, I like my scuffy papers that I have going because you can see a bit of color beneath them, which is fun. Now I want to start getting my little scalloped pieces down. I don't even know if I'm going to do a shaker pocket. I just said that I was going to, but I'm really digging this design that we have currently. So I'm like, ooh, let's put that on a diagonal. There's a really subtle white stripe there. And I'm thinking that these guys could use a little bit of being popped up for dimensional adhesive because, you know, it's fun. I haven't matted my photos yet, so I'll find something to mat them with. And yeah, this layout's just coming together so quickly. I'm only going to have to tuck in a few of these pretty little stickers and some of my, like, my little mini shapes. Guys, look at how many you get in here. It's a massive pack. It's so impressive. I'm very impressed with this. Okay, let me get these pieces on and then we can decorate. All right, so the base is done and now is the fun decorating stuff. So Life is Sweet, I think it's super cute with these little ice creams and all that. So I like the idea of playing that up. Ooh, but look at how pretty this pear is. I didn't see this before, guys. Oh, does it want to go right over Nick's shirt? I don't think Nick minds. Oh, I think this is going to become a thing already. I didn't have that planned, but let's stick that down. That's adorable. Maybe I should go a little fruity with this little concert plan. Look at the lemon, it's blue. I think it's so cute. So this is a fun part, guys. It is literally just playing along with all of these cute stickers and coming up, oh, that's cute, with like a little plan. I want a little dimension on the back of that before I commit to it. Cute. We have a little peach here, like a really pinky one. Lots of popsicles. We've got sunglasses going on. The one in a melon is adorable. So there's lots we can do. Now these look like little water droplets, and that also works for this whole tidal wave thing that they were at. But I have this cluster here with a couple of the fruit bits. I'm wondering about putting, oh gosh, how do I want to do it? You know, I can do no, I'm looking because I have the plummy color and the light blue, right? That are super pretty. So in theory, I should use yellow on top of that. So let me figure out how I want these little bits on here. I don't really like the leaves going downwards. So maybe if I do something more like this and then have this come off this way. Okay, yep, I'm liking that. And I'll pop this up on dimension. This is so fun, doing other little bits. Let's see. Let's see. Get a little piece of tape. We will pop it on. So that is pretty much the vibe of my layout, although I like to add and see how it goes and all that kind of thing. Now, the cool thing I thought with this workshop kit is, you know how you get the papers regularly, but the workshop kit gives you all of these ideas and extra little goodies. I think it's so clever. So clever. I very much like it. I'm using a T-square ruler because I cannot put on anything straight. All right, I have a little bit of shadow there, which I like. So let's see. This, I decided, needed a little bit of dimension underneath the bottom of the pear and the floral pieces. My photo is up on just a little bit of dimensional adhesive too. So let's go ahead, give that a place to rest, and you get that nice little bit of shadowy something. Okay, I'm gonna play a little bit more. I'll be right back. Y'all, look at how cute my pineapple is. He has these little embossed lines in it. I think it's so cute. So he's massive, right? Like in the scale of things. So I'm gonna just go ahead and have him, I don't know why I'm saying him, but go with it, I guess. I'll have him just kind of peeking out like, hey. So we have that going on. I did put an extra little leaf under this bit right here. I wanted to bring down some of that gorgeous sea foamy kind of color. And then I think I'm gonna just sprinkle in a few hearts and these mini shapes, and this is gonna be done. It came together so nice and quickly. I love the good times. I like super cute. I love all the wordy bits. Oh, I love this you and me, but it would be aqua on the aqua over here. Life is sweet. Ooh, I'm gonna put it right down there. I really like that on there. All right, I'm gonna play around a little bit with just seeing what extra little hearts and goodies I can get on here. I will have still shots to follow. I have the link to Erica's Close to My Heart shop, and you can get your hands on all of the good over there. And if you guys have any questions, pop mine down. I will try to answer them. If I can't, I'll ask Erica and get back to you and all of that kind of stuff. So that is what I have for you today, except for just a couple of decorative bits. I'll show you the finished layout in a moment. So my layout is done, and I have all of these great little sprinkles on. I think they're the cutest things. Guys, they have this texture that is almost, let me show you. Let me grab a couple. And I know I'm carrying on, but I'm digging the texture. They have like a little bit of a bend to them, so almost like a rubbery epoxy or something, but they're super thin. They're very clever. Okay, enough about that. Let me show you my layout a little bit more up close. Lots of fun. Oh, I see a little guy started moving. I don't know where it is, but it did start to move. So lots of layer and dimensions and all kinds of cute, fun texture. All right, still shots to follow. I just thought I'd show you my finished layout.